Guys, you want to go XLR but don't have enough money to get it? Don't worry. I have the next best thing. But before I tell you, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll tell you the rest. Come on. Well, now that you're here, I've got the secret. Click the link down below and you'll find the app for it. Let's go check it out. So when you click that link, it actually brings you to this website. This is called Death Counters and Soundboard. And how we're actually going to get there, guys, we have to scroll all the way down. Click the link where it says download the actual app and hit it. It'll bring this up. Just click the download US version. That's the best part. You know what I'm saying? So once you click it, it'll download in the top right. It'll actually go a little faster than normal. But guys, once it's done, just open it. And once you open it, your computer will actually prompt you. Just say yes. Then, after you say yes, it'll prompt this thing, which is actually the window where you actually set up everything, the actual app. So click next, install it, wait for the app to actually get installed. Click next again, make sure that's clicked so it starts right after you hit finish. Then click finish. So now we click finish, it prompts this. This is the actual app. It'll actually bring you to make your GoXLR, oh wait, your keyboard into a GoXLR. And how are we gonna do that? Guys, don't worry, I got you. So now, we made it this far, guys. We're almost there. Click the other link down below. It's myinsist.com. That's a website where you can actually find sounds, popular music, a little bit of everything. Or you can just use your own voice record. Either way, that's how we get the sound. You ready to plug it in? Come on, I'll show you more. So now, click the 3 lines with the plus sign. It'll give you the sound box. And this is where all the magic happens. You go into the name, you type whatever name you want. Let's, for example, say, I want to put a welcome. So, welcome. Next, we have to find the actual music file. Click the 3 dots on the files line. Find the actual file that you want to link it to your sound. Welcome. Key, where you actually want to activate the sound. Click that and press anything on your keyboard. Let's put 1. So now 1 is now my welcome button. And that is how you make your keyboard into a GoXLR. If you want more, exit out of that and repeat the process. So there, that's how you make a keyboard into a GoXLR. And like I said, guys, I hope this helped you out. And just know one thing. I freaking love you! I freaking love you.